Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Naturally Beautiful, and in today's video I have come up with a 2-ingredient remedy which is going to work as a cleanser. It is going to work as a very mild scrub. It is going to work as a face pack. Basically it's going to do all three works, that is cleansing, scrubbing and the mask, and the two-step ingredient that we are going to use today, you are going to find them all, you're going to find both the ingredients at your home for sure. And it's going to be very mild. It's going to be free of chemicals. It is not going to harm your skin at all, and I'm pretty sure it will be suitable for every skin type because there's nothing used in that pack that will irritate your skin. So the two ingredients that I'm talking about is, the first one is none other than milk. So I have taken about 3 to 4 spoons of milk, as you all can see, and with this you will need a bread. Yes guys, I'm talking about a face pack using bread and milk. I'm pretty sure most of us have applied this in our childhood. The benefits of milk, there's so many benefits, like it helps in whitening, it is a very good cleansing agent, and it helps us to get a better skin tone. Whereas bread today that we are using, it is going to help us cleanse. What happens, usually milk is very runny and then we cannot keep it for a longer time on our skin. But when we are using bread into it, the first thing that it will do is it will thicken the milk. So it is going to set in our skin, and that's what we want. Second thing, it is going to act as a very mild scrub. The particles of the bread, when we are going to soak it in the milk, it is going to act like a very mild scrub, and this is used like from ages when we were babies. It's going to help in reducing sunburn, it will help in removing suntan, it will remove pigmentation, it will give you an even skinned tone, like a toned even skin, and it has lot more effects, and it is so easy. So you'll just need milk and bread. That's what these are the two ingredients that you'll be needing. So what I had done was, when I used it in my entire body, I had used 3 breads. But right now for demo, I'm just going to show it on my face. So for which I'll just use half, like 1/4 of the bread. So as you all can see, this is the bread. So I'm just going to take 1/4 of it because I'm going to use only on my face. This is the half, and then I'm going to make another fold. Alright. So as you all can see, this is the amount of bread, like 1/4 of bread. I think everyone in this world can afford it, like 1/4 of the bread. And about 5 to 6 spoons of milk, just to make it like a thick paste. And we need to soak it. People tell you need to soak it for 1 hour, half an hour, nothing. You'll put it in like milk, and it will just get melted, So put 6 spoons, about 5 to 6 spoons of milk in it. Now what I'll do is, before applying, as usual, I'll be tying my hairs. Yeah guys, so I have tied my hairs. It's not tied properly, but then never mind. So here it is. Now we are going to take our hands and mash it up. While we are mashing itself, we can feel those minute particles, and it's going to work as an amazing scrub, amazing cleanser, amazing pack and whatnot. So as you all can see, this is going to be the consistency of it. Yeah. So now we are waiting for what? Let's start applying it. Try taking the particles and just start applying it. It's a bit messy work, So I will suggest that, be a bit careful, but then, so I've started to apply this mask, and while I'm applying it itself, I'm scrubbing my face with it. You can see the particles all over my face. Yeah guys, once you're done with it, what you need to do is take both of your hands, okay, and just rub it, do circular motions. As you all can see, I have a pimple over here, so I cannot use any harsh scrub onto my face right now because it is going to affect my pimple. So I'm using this scrub. It will instantly give a shine to my face. It is going to moisturize my face. It's gonna look amazing. So now what you will notice is milk is even staying on our face because the bread that we have added is made out of maida. So it thickens the milk basically, and now it's staying. Do not leave any corner of your face. Apply it properly. And this is just a demo. You should apply it, and you can apply it all over your body. And you should do it. You'll remember all your childhood memories when you're applying it. It is so good. Just that the smell of bread, maybe you might feel a bit irritated, but for the benefit it gives, I think it's okay. So now I'm done with applying this. Now I would leave it to dry for just 2 minutes, and you'll see within 2 minutes it's almost dry. Yeah guys, so as you all can see, this is already semi-dried, it's a bit sticky now. So now what you need to do is, you need to repeat the procedure. You're not going to wash your face right now. You need to take the leftover milk. As you can see, I have a bit leftover milk. So I'm going to take it in between my fingers, rub them, and again start scrubbing my face with it. So we are going to repeat the procedure. We can feel that our skin is becoming a bit tight, and the pack is dried, and the pack is dried, and that's what we want. So do that, and again start massaging your face with it. I'm showing it on my hand also. See, this is my hand and this is this, okay? It gives a very good nourishment, it's like my skin is not that dry, but then it is a bit on the drier side. But even after applying this, I don't even feel like applying a moisturizer. It gives so much moisture to my face. So as you all can clearly see, I've done this on my one hand, here and here. And now I'll be washing my hands, and I will be showing you the live results. Okay guys, so I will wash my face and I'll be back. So guys, I'm back after washing my face. I know you people can't see a very nice glow onto my face like my other things do, like the basic Ubtin that I shared or the other mask. But then, trust me guys, this pack will take time to show results. But it has, internally hydrated my skin so much. You always see whenever I apply any face pack, I apply a moisturizer because I feel my skin is a bit drying. But this face pack has instant hydrated my face that I do not need to apply and moisturize, and I don't think so I'll have to apply it overnight also. It's done such good work. I can feel that my skin has become soft and more plumpier and all. But I don't know if you all can see a nice like visible result. But trust me guys, with the continuous use of it, you will see a result. Also the thing is, it's not a big thing. Bread and milk, you have to make time for yourself. You need to give care for your skin. Only then you should expect a good skin. Talking about this pimple, what happened in my previous videos, I had shared a charcoal mask that was some Dead Sea and mud pack that I had shared. And as you all remember, it did not suit my skin. It made my skin a bit reddish and completely dried. So I think that's the only reason for the emerging of this pimple. Because I didn't see pimple from so many days and it has suddenly come. I'm still working on my home remedies. And if it works on my pimples, I will surely share the remedy with you all. Talking about my hand also, I think, you all can see a clear result. But still, a little difference is seen. So guys, try this pack at your home and do let me know in the comment section how was it and how did it suit your skin. Also, if you have liked this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any of my further video.